topic, we will discuss something about the alphabets. As you know very well that there are 26 alphabets in English. Okay? A, B, C, D. Okay? These are how many? These are 26. So we have 26 alphabets in English. Now these alphabets are divided into two parts. The first one is vowel and the second one is consonant. Okay? So 26 alphabets are divided into two parts, vowels and consonants. Now students, vowels. Vowels are 5 in number. Means 26 alphabets are there. Out of 26, 5 are vowels, and then afterwards how many are left? 21. So 21 consonants are there. Okay? So total number is 26 only. So 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Now what are 5 vowels? We can count on our hand also. A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. And except these 5 alphabets, whatever the alphabets left in English alphabet, that will come under consonants as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. U will not come because U is here. W, X, Y, Z. So 21 consonants are there and vowels are only 5. Okay? Now after this thing, now come to the topic articles. Now students, articles. 3 articles are there, a, and, the. Okay? When we write a paragraph, when we write a sentence, when we read something, we can easily find these 3 articles in a passage. While we are writing a sentence, there also we use these articles a and the. Now what are the rules of using these articles? That we will learn in this chapter. Articles are divided into 2 parts, indefinite and definite. Indefinite means when we use the articles with general things. When we are talking about general things, general topics are there, general nouns are there. That time the articles which we use, these are a and. Okay, so a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article which we use with specific things, specific noun, particular noun. Okay, till here. Okay, as I told you that we have 2 types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite is the and indefinite is a and an. Now first of all we will learn about the indefinite articles, that is a and an. Now what are the rules? First rule, we use a article if the word starts with a consonant sound. Okay, when the word starts with a consonant sound, that time we use a article. For example, I have a teddy bear. So here the first alphabet of teddy is T, and T is what? Consonant. So that's why before this word here will come. I have a teddy bear. Okay? This is the first rule, that before the consonant will come. Now next one, we use an article if the word starts with a vowel sound. Now when the word starts with a vowel means A, E, I, O, U, that time we use which one article? An article. I ate an ice cream. Okay, now here ice cream is a noun, ice cream is a thing, and the first alphabet of the word is I, and I is what? Vowel. So before the vowel which article will come? An article will come. Now students, when we are discussing the sounds here, the vowel and consonant sounds, some exceptions are there. Means at some places these rule doesn't apply. How? I will tell you. Suppose the word is honest. Okay, here the first is H. H is what? Consonant. So as per this rule, what will come here? Honest. But this is wrong. Here and will come. An honest person. Why? Because here the letter H is silent. Okay? We know about the silent letter words where we do not pronounce the word. But when we are writing the word, that time we write that alphabet. Here, while writing we will write here H. But when we will pronounce the word, this word Honest, the pronunciation will start from O, honest. That's why here and will come. Okay. Now European, European. Here the first alphabet is E. E is a vowel, and as per this second rule, here and should come, but here this will not come. A European. Same, because of the sound, while you pronounce this word, the sound is totally different. That's why here we write a European, not an European. Okay. Now come to the third rule. These means a and an article can be used in exclamations. Exclamation is when we are making exclamatory sentences where this mark will come. Okay. This is the exclamation mark. So when we are making the exclamatory sentences, that time also we will use a and an article. Okay. And what will be the structure that time? Before an adjective plus a singular countable noun. Now we will look at the sentence also. What a beautiful dress. Now here beautiful is my adjective, dress is a noun, and here a is article. Okay. We can also make one more sentence. What an interesting story. So students, here story is a noun, interesting is an adjective, and here the first alphabet is I. That's why here N will come. As per the rule which we have discussed. Okay, vowel and consonant. So here that's why N will come. What an interesting story. So here exclamation mark will come. These are exclamatory sentences. So that time also we use article a and an. Now next is before nouns when we are referring to them for the first time. This or minimum of 2 to 3 lines and maximum of 7, 8, 10 lines. It may be exceed. So when we are writing a paragraph and in the first line of the paragraph, when we are referring a person name. So for the first time, when we will write for the first time, that time will come, and then afterwards, if we will talk about the same person in the paragraph, then the will come. First of all, we learn about article. Suppose this is a first line of the paragraph. Okay, I saw a girl in the park. Okay, now here because this is the first line of the paragraph, so here girl is coming for the first time, so here that's why here will come. Now if I will continue and I will add more lines to this paragraph, then when I will write about the girl, then there I will refer the. Then there I will use the article. Okay, I saw a girl in the park. The girl was playing with her friends. The girl was eating something. So in this paragraph. So this rule says that when we are writing, when we are talking to a person for the first time, that time will come. Okay. Now next rule, when we are talking about only one person, place, animal or thing. I have a mango. It means I have only one mango. I have a chocolate. I have only one chocolate. Okay, I have a notebook. I have a pencil. It means only one quantity is there. Only one number is there. Okay, that time also we use article a or an. If vowel, then an will come. If consonant, then a will come. Okay, so these are the rules of article a and an. Now next rules are of article the, where we use the article in a sentence, in a paragraph. So the first rule is the nouns which are only one, before that noun we use the article. The Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, the Gateway of India. These are only one. Okay, we have only one Taj Mahal in India. Have you seen 2 or 3 Taj Mahals? No, we have only one Taj Mahal. So when we will make a sentence with that Taj Mahal, before the Taj Mahal, the will come. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. When we talk about the oceans, when we talk about the rivers, when we talk about the mountains, particular mountains, Mount Everest, the Mount Everest. Ganga River, the Ganga River. Okay, oceans, the Pacific Ocean. So these are only one. So the things which are only one, before that nouns we use the article. Okay students. Now next rule, before the superlative degree of comparison. Now students, when we do the adjectives, in adjectives to do the comparison we have 3 degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. For example, the adjective is big. So when there is no comparison, it means it is positive degree. Okay, when there is a comparison between 2 persons, then we use bigger. This is the comparative degree of comparison, and the superlative is best, biggest. B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. This is positive degree, this is comparative degree, and biggest means that is the biggest one. There is no comparison. Okay. So before this 3rd degree of comparison, before this superlative degree of comparison, we use the article. Okay. For example, she girl in the classroom. Okay, here the adjective is tallest. This is the superlative degree of comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. Tallest means the girl is the tallest one in the classroom. It means there is no comparison. She is the tallest one and the others are not taller than the girl. She is the tallest one. Okay. So that time before the superlative degree we use the article. Okay. Now next rule, to refer to a person or thing already mentioned in the previous sentence. This rule relates to this one. Okay, as I told you already now that when we are writing a paragraph, when we read a paragraph, and if there is someone's name is there, something name is there, that time, and we are reading or writing for the first time, which article will come? A or an as per the sound. But when we use the word again in the paragraph, that time which article will come? The article. Okay. To refer to a person or thing already mentioned, we had a word already about that person or thing in the previous sentence. So when we will continue with the same lines, so that time when we are talking about the same person or thing, that time we use the article. Here we have an example also. I got a pen and a pencil. This is the first line. So here for both the nouns will come a pen or and a pencil. But when we will talk about these two nouns again, that time we use the article. The pen is blue and the pencil is black. Okay, here also we have the same thing now. I saw a girl in the park. Here for the first time we use here only a article. But if we will continue, then what will come? We will continue with the girl. This girl in the same paragraph. Then I saw a girl. The girl was dancing. The girl was playing. Okay. That time, the second time, the article will come. Okay, students. So these are the rules of the article a and the, which we use when we write the sentences. Okay. First of all, we have to focus on the sounds. Vowel and consonant, which sound is there? That time, as per the sound, a or an article we will use. Okay. And the article we use with superlative degree of comparison with the things which are one in number and with the nouns which is already mentioned in the previous sentence. Okay, students. So I hope this article topic which we have discussed today, a and the rules of the articles a and the is clear to you. So that's all in today's